What's the matter? What's the matter? What are you crying? Oh, you look so sad. Look at you. Look at those puppy eyes. Mm. Mm. You miss your mommy? You miss your daddy? You miss your brothers? Huh? You're going to a nice home. Yeah. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, come on. Don't cry. Don't cry. Arr, 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 arr. What's the matter with you? What's that? Got your toy? Got your toy? You don't feel like playing, huh? You don't feel like playing. All right, I gotta drive. Be good. Are we driving? Say hello to everybody. Hello, my name is Lucy. My name is Pedro. Oh, I gotta get gas. Oh, I'd be pushing this car. I'll make you push the car, Lucy. We gotta find a gas station, bro. Okay, bro, sis. Is that a gas station? That looks like a gas station. That looks like a gas station. That's a Ross freaking clothing store. All right. Say goodbye to everybody. Goodbye, everybody. Gotta go. Bye-bye. See ya.